I have another MOC for you guys today. Police car. Nothing special, just got the sirens, the bumper on the front with the license plate, got the rear tail lights and a window on the back, got the police decals on the sides, and even how small it is, it has a lot of interior. With this easily removable roof, you can see that the cop has a lot of room in this car. Has a spot for the tools in the back. And you can actually take the windshield off to even more access. Has his nice little donut, the control panels, and a coffee pot. That's about it for this MOC. It's not much, but it's really impressed with how this one turned out. It looks nice and slick. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.